What's up, everybody? This is Ramon with Tech Did This. I am going to be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro. I'm super excited to drive this because it's supposed to have better battery than the previous series, and I like how the look is actually way better than the titanium version. I have the 16 Pro at the moment. There's a little bit of controversy out there on the internet world that the design is not as nice as the previous ones, but for me, I like it. So let's go. All right, let's peel the little stickers off. Ooh! Not gonna go through the box. Typical cable paperwork. Let's turn it on. This is super nice. Again, I know there's controversy online with it being aluminum, but I think it looks really futuristic. I like it a lot. I already have a case for it, because I'm pretty sure this will be easily scratched probably too, but that's okay. All right, let's set it up. All right, it's ready to go. Here it is. Of course, again, looks a little bit different than the 16 Pro, but this material is aluminum. I already got a case on it because I rock like that, not naked. But cool. Well, thanks for joining me for this unboxing. Again, this is Ramon with Tech Did This. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks.